is my all-natural ground turkey right here that I am preparing for my meal prep. I'm going to put some Ragu Cheese Creations Ragu roasted garlic parmesan in this here. Keep in mind, this is going to last me for 4 days right here. Alright, and this is my son's crab here. Ugh. Look at the difference. Healthy ground turkey versus that. Ugh. Look at all that fat in that ground beef. Oh well. Anyway, I will show you how this turns out when I'm done with that. I decided I'm going to throw this in for this week. Oikos, I think I pronounced it right. 000 Greek yogurt. Look at that. 22 grams of protein, no fats, no artificial sweetness, no added sugar. Look at the macros. 170 per serving, no fats. Hear it. 100 milligrams of sodium. Look, got a good thing of potassium. 21 grams of carbs, 10 grams of fiber, check that out, and only 8 grams of sugar, but look at that, 22 whopping grams of protein. So usually what I put with my yogurt, I get some graham crackers, might get like 3 or maybe 4 out of there, and I smash them up and I throw them over there. I'll show you what it looked like though on the next vlog, or probably when I finish with this right there. But yeah, that's what I do. Look at that, boy. Yeah. See, look at that. See, the ground turkey is coming in to play. Look at that. Yeah. I got long arms. See, I'm stirring. Oh, well, nah, I don't got long arms because I don't want no damn fingernail polish. Wow, look at that. Can you smell it? All right, now the ragu sauce goes on there. Look at that. Oh, I'm getting turned on by this food porn. And there it is. See how it's all coming out. Wow. Here go another one. Pow. Look at that. Remember, peoples, this is for the whole week now. This is not for one day. This is for the whole week, the entire week. Is finished. This is it finished. This is lasting for a week. Put the lid back on it.